Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be creating this makeup look here, but before we get into the tutorial we do have a sponsor for today's video. So thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring the first portion of today's video. So again, as you know, I've been working quite a lot this year with Ana Luisa and we have another sale going on for them. So basically over the holidays they're going to be running their biggest sale ever. Of course they were kind enough to gift me 3 pieces. All these 3 pieces I have selected myself. So of course they all came delivered in just this very minimal eco-friendly packaging, and then these are the wee keepsake pouches that all of your pieces do come in. So you can obviously keep these and they're really nice to obviously give to somebody if you're giving them as a gift as well, because they're just quite nice and they're very minimal as well, but yeah, classic. For the jewellery, I wanted to get something really different. Over the past couple of months, like I've been getting like the same things over and over again, like earrings, necklaces. So I had a wee nosy in around their rings, and their rings are absolutely stunning. Now, rings can be a wee bit tricky to actually purchase online if you're not too sure about what size you are or whatever, but one thing I love about Ana Luisa's rings I did notice was that they are retractable. Would that be the right word? Basically, I have it on at the minute, so it's this wee ring here. I'll take it off for you. So as you can see, you can kind of like expand it by pulling it out the way, and you can close it this way to make it smaller. So basically the ring is a one size fits all, but this is this song gold ring, and as you can see this is a gorgeous stackable ring. It's a nice sweet introductory ring, and as you can see the design of it is 3 rows of gold beads, and it does have a smooth finish with a thick 14K gold coating. But yeah, I love it. I think it's so nice, and I just love the fact that it's adjustable. Adjustable. Is that the word I was supposed to say at the start there? What was it I had said? Oh, who knows, but yeah, it's adjustable, guys. Way hey, we finally got that out there. But yeah, most of their rings are adjustable, and then you have some of their rings where you actually have to give your ring size. Not all of their rings are like this, but I just find this so handy. And also what comes like this on their website is their ear cuffs, and that's also one thing I got as well. So I know it might be a wee bit hidden because of my hairband that I'm actually wearing today, but this is actually the second time I've got an ear cuff of Ana Luisa, and I wanted to get another one because see the other one that I had, or I got from them the last time, I wonder is it in here? Yeah, it is. Hold on. So it's this one. You just would recognize this all the time now from my tutorials. I wear this to death. To death! I have actually wore it that much that I've actually needed to clean it because it just got so dirty so quickly because I was just wearing it every single day. I'll even wear this just like around the house if I'm not wearing any makeup or I'm not going anywhere. I love these wee ear cuffs, and again they are adjustable. I just had to get another wee ear cuff because this wee ear cuff here is a wee bit glitzy, a wee bit glammy. There's like wee diamantes and studs on it, whereas I just wanted something a wee bit more elegant. Not elegant, but just something a wee bit more classy and classic and just simple. So this is the one that I picked up here, and this is the Onda ear cuff. So as you can see, it's got a wee bit of an edgy look to it, and it has a wee bit of a wave design. It's also dipped in 14K gold. It obviously can be worn alone or stacked up with other earrings. I have to say, like, it is very easy to put on and just take off. Like, you can just boop boop and then just boom. Whereas I did notice that maybe because this one here is a wee bit thicker and there's more detail to this one, it was a wee bit harder to actually like get on. So I'm just trying to get my ear up in there again. But no, I just find that this one is stunning. I think it is absolutely beautiful. You will obviously see what this looks like in the try-on clips, and it just looks gorgeous, doesn't it? It's just so simple and elegant looking. Oh, love it. I love it. I feel like it's such a gorgeous piece to stack up and just make your ears look so trendy. The last piece is this necklace here, and this is the Adam Bold short necklace. Now, not too sure if you're going to recognize this or not, but I do have this myself, and I did mention this in a video obviously whenever I got it. But I actually got this for Kyle as a gift. And so obviously if you have a boyfriend, feel free to get them a wee necklace. But obviously, as I say, I have this necklace here, and Kyle always compliments it and talks about it, and he's like looking around it and feeling it, and just he's basically just subtly dropping hints as in, I would really want one of those necklaces. So I got him this, and I thought that, well, obviously what not a better time to get a gift in this than around at Christmas time. So obviously if you do have a boyfriend that likes jewellery, get him a necklace, because he absolutely loves this. This is actually mine's from my collection. The one that I got him is actually on him. He literally has not took it off since I gave it to him, literally. But yeah, he's absolutely obsessed and he loves it. He absolutely loves it. He, as I say, he hasn't took it off since he got it, and he is obviously working in it, and it still looks fabulous. It still looks so good. He's obviously sleeping in it, he's showering in it and everything, and it still looks absolutely fabulous. Like, their jewellery is such high quality, so definitely do consider getting some of your family members or loved ones or friends, boyfriends, girlfriends, some really nice wee pieces of jewellery for Christmas. And obviously now is the time to do it, considering they are holding their biggest sale of the year. And then obviously I will have my discount code down below in the description box for you. So yeah, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring the first portion of today's video, and let's just get into the makeup. I'm first off going to start my skin today, so I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This is the Illuminate one. I actually just got this new a couple of weeks ago actually, and it's the first time I'm trying it. I've actually heard really good things about the Laura Mercier primers. I also feel like I need to apologise about my voice in this video. It's been nearly 2 weeks since I've actually sat here and filmed because I haven't been well. It's quite nice actually. It's just kind of done what was expected. I gave you a bit of a close up, so it has given my skin like a really nice wee dewy, like a non-greasy looking, non-sticky looking, oily looking dew to my skin. That's obviously like the wee illuminating pearls that's in it or something. Yeah, it's quite nice actually. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Faux Filter foundation from Huda Beauty in the shade Chai. I have the tiniest bit of fake tan on. I done my fake tan the other night, so this is my fake tan shade. And I'm just going to use this wee e.l.f. beauty sponge to just blend this out. This is actually such a really good wee beauty sponge, by the way. It's probably one of my favourites. I'm going to be taking the Kimchi Chick the Most Concealer. What shade is this? I always find that whenever I use this it's far too light, but I like to just use it anyway to get it used up. Peachy Ivory. When you see the colour of this, it's hilarious. It's very pink toned, which I don't really do that in a concealer. This packaging also does mine not. Come on. It is a really nice concealer, but it's just, this is not the right shade, and that was my doing. Like, it is so nice. It is such, it's so me. It's so full coverage, but not like a kicky full coverage. But I love it. It's just the colour is just a wee bit off, but it's dealable. It's fine. Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light. I'm just going to try and like speed up through my base makeup actually as quick as I can so we can get onto the eyes. I'm about to use a brand new palette actually that I bought, I shit you not, last year. It was around this time last year. No, I'll tell you a lie. It was like January last year because I bought it in the January sales. And I've yet to use it, but it's the most beautiful palette. And again, just taking just a wee sponge to blend this out. So just my under eyes, I'm just going to press this powder in. And then I also like to bring it down the sides of my nose to my smile lines. Okay, so for my highlight, I'm going to be taking this wee palette here from Exo Beauty, the Diamond Baby highlight palette. And I'm going to be taking this middle shade here. I'm going to be taking this wee blush here from Tarte. What is this? Amazonian Clay Blush, B-Day Bay. I actually just got this pretty recently and I've never used it before, so as you can see it's a nice wee pink shade. For my bronzer, I'm going to take this wee one from Poundland. I'm trying to use it up. I've been using it every day at this point. So this is the palette I'm going to be using today. It's from Morphe, and this is the 35XO palette. And yep, as I say, I got this around this time last year on the January sales, and I literally have not even swatched this palette, but it's gorgeous. I think that this is the most beautiful palette ever. Well, one of. I say that with like most palettes, don't I? It's getting a wee bit boring at this point. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I think we're just going to wing it, I suppose. I think I'm going to be taking this shade first of all. So just popping this just within the crease, and I'm just packing it on and blending just as I go. My god, it's been so long since I've used a Morphe palette. My goodness. They definitely aren't as popular anymore. I remember whenever I first started YouTube, well no, not even actually, it would have been before I started my YouTube channel. Like Morphe eyeshadows were like the eyeshadow palettes they have, you know what I mean? Everybody had like a Morphe eyeshadow palette. So not only were they affordable, but they were really good eyeshadows. And then if it was more expensive, it had to be either MAC eyeshadows or the Naked palettes from Urban Decay. Everybody had them. See, once I have like minimal product on my brush from like packing and blending, I'm just gonna go roughly like over everything, kind of just blending it up to my upper crease, brow bone, etc. Just to kind of disperse that shade a wee bit. And I'm also going to not wing it out, but just kind of like puff it out a wee bit. I'm not wanting to be too precise. I might take a wee clean brush to kind of help me with this, so this wee clean brush here. This is something that I've been doing because obviously I haven't filmed in, as I say, in nearly 2 weeks, so all my makeup brushes are spotless. Spotless, every single one of them, apart from like my everyday makeup brushes, because I call me crazy, but even whenever I feel sick, I will put makeup on because it just makes me feel so good. It's such a really nice shade. Every time I use like mauvey pink shades, I'm like, oh my god, it's so nice. I should use these shades more often. I'm going to take double tap this shade here. I'm taking this on a Buff and Blend a BB22 brush. Oh, I don't think I've actually mentioned on my YouTube yet. Oh my goodness, I don't think I've mentioned on my YouTube yet. I have mentioned once, but it was within a voiceover, so it doesn't count. But my collaboration, guys, is with Buff and Blend, if you didn't already know, or see one of my previous videos where I had mentioned it. So yeah, Buff and Blend, the day this video goes up, it's either, well today it's Wednesday, so by the time this video goes up it's either Thursday or Friday. But next week is the launch, by the way, so please do keep an eye out on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram for all the launch details and what we've created, what we've made, what we've been working on. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. Like I know you guys are going to absolutely love this product so much. I'm just dying. Like today, like even today, it was like, yeah, I can use it on my channel, and it was like, no, I can't use you yet. Because obviously like the product hasn't been launched yet. As far as I'm aware, the launch date was supposed to be this week, but obviously like delays and everything. Over here we've been having quite bad stormy weather, so I'm not too sure whether that delayed a couple of things or COVID or what it was, but there had been some delays anyway. So that sucks, but oh well. I'm so excited for you to finally get your hands on this product and like just my collaboration. It will be obviously available before Christmas, and if you want to get it for say like a Christmas present or even a present for yourself or whatever, you will be able to get it in time, don't worry. It is available worldwide shipping, etc. I know it is an Irish brand, so I know I have had some questions regarding that, but obviously whenever it comes to my launch video and I reveal video, yeah, my reveal video, I will obviously explain everything. Now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. metallic liquid eyeshadow. I'm not going to be too precise with this, but I'm just going to put this just in the inner corner. I'm just going to put it in that type of shape as if I am cutting the crease, but I'm not. And then I'm going to take a wee fluffy brush, a wee flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend out those edges just before this product has time to dry. I'm going to use the exact same brush and take a shimmer shade from this palette. We just go for this one up top. I'm going to take a wee bit of this pinky one too. Okay, so now that that's both eyes done, I'm going to go back into the palette and take maybe a mixture between this shade here and this shade, just to kind of darken up the outer corner and the, yeah, just the outer corner actually, a wee bit. And I'm going to slightly overlap it onto the shimmer. Now I'm going to try the pressed glitter in the center. Feels kind of just the same as the ColourPop ones. That's what it looks like there. Ah, it's so pretty. I'm just going to apply that just all over the inner corner. And that's really pretty actually. It's not like really intense and opaque, but it's just giving like nice wee speckles of glitter. I'm going to be taking a wee flat brush and I'm going to go into, again, Show Some Skin, this shade here, and I might also take a mixture between that and, oh, there's darker browns over here. Basically one of the darker shades because I'm going to try and do like a wee bit of a liner situation. See, while those lashes are getting tacky, I'm just going to do my lips. So for my lips, Good and Plenty lip liner from ColourPop. And for my lips, this is the BH Cosmetics Cashmere Cream in the shade Thirsty. I'm going to take these wee half lashes. These are just from Shein. I will link them down below for you. So that is, oh, we're a wee bit close. So that is lashes on, and I'm going to take a wee bit of the Anastasia Diamond Gloss. Yep, the Diamond Gloss in the shade Honey Diamond. I'm going to take a wee bit of this just on my finger because this is new and I don't want to get the doe foot applicator dirty. And I'm just going to put this just up the centre of my lips. Okay guys, so this completes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring the first portion of today's video. Of course, don't forget to check out the description box where I will have my discount code and all the links, and of course I will obviously have all the products that I did use in today's tutorial as well, listed and linked down below for you, along with my Instagram. So don't forget to go and follow me on my Instagram so you can keep up to date with my collaboration and the launch and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.